When you sleep in a new place, only half of your brain is actually resting. The other half is awake, listening for danger. Scientists call this the first night effect. It's a survival mechanism inherited from animals, like dolphins, who sleep with one eye open. When you spend the night in an unfamiliar environment, a hotel room, a friend's couch, or a new bedroom, your brain doesn't fully trust it. One hemisphere refuses to enter deep sleep. Instead, it stays partially alert, acting as a silent night watchman. This alert half monitors every creak of the floor, every whisper of wind through the window. It's not just hearing those sounds, it's analyzing them, deciding whether to wake you up or let you keep sleeping. That's why you often feel exhausted after the first night somewhere new, even if you slept for 8 hours. You think you're alone and safe in the dark, but a part of your mind is always awake, waiting for the attack it assumes is coming.